I am right now in Lavina, Montana. And this hotel, what the neighbors are telling me, is was built around 19, 1911, 1912, somewhere in there, and appear to be Spanish revival style. It's not on the best of conditions, but it's standing. That is something to say. I mean, we are in a very remote place. One of the neighbors was telling me they're planning to rebuild it and remodernize it, and maybe utilize it to so people can stop and enjoy the city. The previous owner died not too long ago, so someone else acquired it, and they're raising funds to rebuild it. So you might can help. It's the only hotel in Lavina, Montana. Now check this out. I think that is very nice. That like a smoking room or something, so people can go outside in winter and hang out. The address is 1 Main Street. Is the very first building in town. And this is a really nice building. Is number 5 Main Street. This is typical in all the cities that I visit. Is empty buildings, beautiful empty buildings, but they empty. Look at the roof on the or the ceiling is metal ceiling. That's typical of uh, uh, 19 early 1900s, 1918, 1920s. The same as like the ceiling fans and all that. It's really hard for me to look inside. So it's a nice brick building. And this is the Bank of Lavina, spelled Lavina. They actually pronounce it Lavina or Livina, but they is mispronounced. Another beautiful building empty. They really need some attention. They, as you see, the paint is just fading all over all the buildings. That is the post office. Yeah, all these buildings, they in most of the towns or the city that I travel to in the United States, they are completely desolated, like a ghost town. And it's amazing the art that is in here. I check that out. Check this out. I don't know if the camera can pick it up or not. That is a stove to warm the place. This one is 17 Main Street. Now look at the brick work. How they stack those brick. Well, I hope you enjoyed. Hopefully we can keep all these buildings in shape where they've been safe for other generations. And this is typical of the Spanish architecture. Like in this case, you see how the porch come out of the building. They have metal roof. Well, I hope you enjoy this video. Let me show you one more time the side of the building. Lavina, Montana.